The next step is to use the new keyword to create a new instance of player object and assign it to a new const variable called player. We write here const and player, then assign it the new player again, and then the player class. Player. So let's take a step back. So in here, actually, we are creating a new object called player, and we assigned new player, meaning we are creating a new object, which is the player, correct? And it is from the player class, which is this one. So essentially, again, we are creating a new object named player from the class player, which means the new instantiated object will inherit the constructor or traits rather, meaning it will inherit its properties, methods, and behaviors. So that would be it. Nice.